log of all of the problems that have been recorded, some of which you might not see. On those handovers, I would also look at previous handovers, look at last year's handover, familiarise yourself with it. That'll give you a good idea if you just look around last year as to what problems came up immediately at the same time as you're looking. Then I'd also look at the shift handovers from around 3 months ago. It will just give you a feel for the problems that you'd encountered and what you might encounter. Looking at these two handovers and looking at the type of problems that you see will be a very good starting point to help you determine what problems you might face in the future. Going forward from here, speak to the operators. These guys are on their coalface, as it were, and they will know about problems, and they will be able to tell you about problems they're seeing at the moment. Some of them may remember problems that they've seen last year, or they might just have little sneaky ideas about things that could be related that are causing a problem that might help save you some time and give you a path of inquiry to look into. Once you've spoken to your operators, the next thing is to download all the incidents out of your reporting tool in a CSV format. I would imagine everyone does this, but this is the first step. Look at that data in Excel. I would imagine a lot of you are already doing, but my tip is to use a data analysis tool. I've recommended to you, I can see we have a question from Faisal, and Faisal's question is around data standards and how do we enforce them. One way of doing that is to issue a template and ask that in the freeform description, every ticket starts with a hashtag field.